Hello friends, Jai Bhim everyone. This is Komali Ambedkar. Friends, I came on live for respond on the one incident. When I was knew about that incident in the Supreme Court issue, really I shocked about that. Friends, I am saying one thing: that incident and issue not a general and regular incident. That one is a serious and shameful incident and very sad incident registered from the New Delhi, where there the Supreme Court Justice of the Chief Justice of India, who was working as a Chief Justice of India. His name is a Gawai. He was assaulted and he was abused by one common man who was working as a lawyer. One ordinary lawyer, he was abused and he was thrown his shoe on the Gawai. Really, I shocked and really, first of all, I am condemning that incident. Everyone should be condemn and everyone should be take the stand with the stand and everyone should be take the protest behalf of the Gawai. Friends, even in India, the Supreme Court justice hadn't the security. I am thinking one thing. What is the normal people situation? Common people situation. What is the common people situation? Really, I am sad about. I never saw such type of incident since the independence. This is the first incident, and friends, one thing everyone should be think about that incident. Who is the uh, Chief Justice of India, Gawai? He is one of the Dalit community fellow. That is why who was the convictor? He is a Brahman fellow. That is why when he throw in the, first of all, he approached the podium in the court hall, and he approached and he throw in his shoe. What is mean by that? That is why I came and I am responding. Then after he was given the slogan Hail Sanatana, like that. Then after, who are the battery of lawyers, they security, they brought him out of the hall and they hand over to the polices. Then after, the police personnel, they file the case on him and they lodged it into the custody. Right now the probe going on, and I am saying one thing. Who are the concerned officials and who are the police and everyone, when such type of incident happen, should be take the stringent action. First of all, who was the convictor? He is a 72-year-old man. Why he showed such type of discrimination means, so really one thing here, he is a Dalit. Here clear cutly we know that one is a caste discrimination, clear cutly, and especially caste and religion discrimination going on in the society, especially in India. Really, what is mean by that? That is why, not only he assault to the Gawai, that view showing he assault and he showed the discrimination toward the Indian Constitution. Really, I am sad and I am shocked about that incident. Seriously, friends, everyone should be take the with stand and should be take the protest behalf of the Gawai. I am asking.
PM President no not to respond.
Still no, when the incident happened, still no, known one who are the PM and the Prime Minister and the President, known one respond on the incident. What is this? What is the how much discrimination going on? I am asking one thing. Was there in the Supreme Court as a working Chief Justice of India, anyone like a Brahman higher caste fellows was there? They showed such type of discrimination and was they throw the such type of things, shoes. I am objects. I am asking one thing, and I am asking one question, friends. Was that correct? Such type of behavior and such type of discrimination toward the such type of higher position fellow. Friends, anyone have the rights and everyone have the expression, freedom of expression and rights that came by the constitution. Constitution given the all rights. Who likes which post which they likes, they can do, they can do. Here one thing, lower and upper, like that the discrimination going on, that one have been continuing. There is no curb and there is no control. Especially the fundamentalism and Sanatana orthodox and who following the Sanatan, they are really, I am saying, they are doing the extreme over and they are showing the always violence and they are always breaching their norms. Friends, when he was thrown, who was the convictor, his name is Rakesh Kishore. When he was thrown, that time who was the justice of the Chief Justice of the India, the Gawai, he said, I never spare such type of threats and such type of fellows. Like that he said, and he continued his bench. And who was the convictor? When the security brought him out of the hall, that time his slogan, Hail Sanatana, we won't left who will be oppose the Sanatana Dharma, fundamentalism, like that he said. What is mean by that? Everyone which religion they likes, they can continue and they can follow their likes. What is their behavior and what is their discrimination and what is their such like work? Really I am sad, and should be still no one respond, and I am condemning briefly, and I am saying one thing, should be take the stringent action and won't repeat for the India, should be give the full and pledge the security and full and pledge responsibility toward the India and toward the society and toward the people and public. This is my message, friends. Everyone should be respond. Friends, who was the convictor? The Rakesh Kishore. That fellow, he is working and he is a RSS activist. That is why I am saying one thing. First of all, should be ban the RSS. Should be banned first of all, and should be eradicate, which is the RSS. That this such type of issues and incident, why happening and why registering means especially cause RSS. This is clear cutly I am saying. that event should first of all ban and should first of all eradicate the RSS. He is a RSS background fellow, that is why he showed and he threw in the his shoe. This is not that wasn't correct. This is my opinion. What is your opinion? Was that correct or that not correct? Should we give the comment on the comment box, and everyone should be respond. This is our not only Gawai but also all are the Dalit fellow abused and the Dalit fellows assaulted by that incident. That is why
since ages of time.
Friends, not only we are facing the such type of problems, since the ages of years we are facing such type of incident. That is why everyone should be take the withstanding, everyone should be respond. That is better to everyone. Thank you friends. JB.